Khurumjari. This is a Thagatchari message to N. Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur, India. I, on behalf of the family of Finding the Voices, am here today to express our deepest gratitude, our sincere Thagatchari to the Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh. Many people have nominated you for our ongoing project of Thagatchari, 1001 Thagatchari. And this is a message from all of us. Sir, you are truly a gift to the people of Manipur. Your leadership and drive, bringing love, unity, and peace in Manipur. Your action, bringing progress to adapt to the quickly changing situation with innovative solutions, and most recently, the MOMA market mobile app. Your continuous effort to fight COVID-19 and protect the people of Manipur, ramping up healthcare infrastructure, vaccination drive, and countless other initiatives is inspiring. With the spread of COVID-19, in the middle of grief and sadness, with near and dear ones passing away, and many battling the pandemic, you and your team are a rock, standing up strongly, leading in this emergency situation, giving us the update of what is happening in social media. And we, the people of Manipur, all over the world, the family of Finding the Voices, want you to know that we love and appreciate you. You are a great leader, a gift to our motherland, Manipur. Thagatchari Khurumjari. We are praying for you, for your team, for the people of Manipur and the whole world to come out of this pandemic. Please let us know how we can help, and together we will fight. With lots of love, be safe and be healthy from the people of Manipur all over the world. Khurumjari.